Hi. Hi, Liz. You're so cute. Say what?
We neighbors.
Oh, okay.
We live. You see that blue car at the end, very last house.
Okay. Oh, okay. Nice to meet you. I'm tired. I'm so sweaty. I'm sorry.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, I see you've been working from the early morning.
Oh, yes. I've been working for 3 days. I usually start on Mondays. I do all my shopping on Sundays, and I start on Monday, and I'm usually done by Thursday around this time. So it takes me about 4 days. Give me 1 second. I'll give you my card, okay?
Yeah.
I'm going to have to do more work in my front yard. I already gave 2 cards today so far. Nice. What's going on, love?
Not much. I headed to the pool.
Are you?
Yeah. Is that for somebody, or are you just doing that?
This is for my channel.
That
And
is,
so people know that I can make this for their birthday party.
that's amazing.
Thanks, babe.
I love it.
Where are the boys? They're in the back?
They're in the back.
It's so dark back there.
Say hi.
Hey, guys.
All right, well, I'll let you get back to work, but it looks amazing.
Thank you. Oh, my God.
I know. Seriously?
Seriously.
I was like, come on.
I
Like,
feel like it was a waste of our time.
that's what we all said. We were like, I feel like it just wasted my entire life.
Right.
Tyler and Peter were clearly better than Jed.
For sure.
And I think Tyler, for her, was probably better than Peter, but like, Jed, seriously?
I mean, it was a fun season, but I was very disappointed with the ending.
Yeah, it was, I was going to say, I
It was
loved her.
actually one of the best seasons.
Yeah, I really liked her.
I liked her.
I was like, I thought she was great. She did a great job up until the end.
Right.
All right, gotta go.
All right, girlfriend.
All right, see you later.
Bye, honey. Bye, guys.
That is so pretty.
Oh, thank you. Have a good day. That is so pretty. Son of a flip. Alright guys, so there it is. I didn't get to tape how I put the round fuchsia balloon at the top because I was so in the zone. Because these balloons have kicked my behind. Not because it was hard, but because the balloons kept popping. So it wasn't the actual DIY, and that's because it's on the grass, but it was the prettiest place I could place this beautiful carousel, and also because it would not fit in my house. This project is definitely for an outdoor party or for a venue that has a loading area, double doors, anything where you can fit something that's more than 40, I believe it's 40 inches wide. Okay. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy. Be the envy of your neighborhood and go ahead and make this DIY or call me and I'll hook you up.